Okay, so here she is. This is my new Aeon Mira 5 desktop laser. I am super excited about it. It's gonna take my business to just a new high, and I cannot wait to get it started. But before we got into starting to get into materials and things like that, I wanted to go over an unboxing. So I'm gonna go through it being delivered, opening the crate, figuring out how to get it in the house because it is super heavy, and then setting it up. So let's get started. We start off with delivery. All lasers are freight shipped, and they are packed in a very nicely secured crate. You're going to need a crowbar and a hammer to open it. But be very careful because there are a ton of nails, and depending on your crate and your laser, it could be rusty, or just be careful when you're opening it. So once you get the crate open, the laser is packed in like this black kind of like cellophane or plastic wrap type stuff, and then there's another layer of cellophane. And this is just walking around, looking at the laser, making sure that there are no visible nicks or anything wrong with it. And yeah, now is the fun part of having to get it inside. So this is a table I bought years ago, and I felt it would be a great use for the laser. So my husband and I decided to bring the laser to the garage door and use a ladder. Y'all, this man engineered a way to slide the laser onto the ladder and then get it onto the table with just he and I. We had no help doing this. It was just the two of us, and mostly him because I am not that strong. So he pushed the laser onto the ladder very, very slowly, and I braced the table and we got it on there. Then in order to bring it into my office, I had to take off the door. So we took off the door, pushed it in, and the table is so nice that you can just like spin it around and put it on. And now it was time to take off all the packaging. So this is the moment of truth, opening the laser to see what's inside. It was a glorious moment. And you can see everything is nice and secure with the zip ties. It was extremely secure. Nothing was moving around. And this is a shirt that my distributors gave me. It's so cute. I love it. And now I'm just cutting off the zip ties and taking off the packaging and the wrapping and everything. Just opening everything up and making sure there's nothing left inside of the laser before I turn it on. There was this clear case inside that contained all of the wires and the different materials you needed to align your mirrors and extra tools and extra things. There was a lot inside of the case. So I'll make another video going over everything that you get, but this was all that was inside the case. And then this is my husband opening the back part of the laser so that we can inspect the tube, just to make sure nothing moved. And now I am filling up the water chiller. So because I have a Mira 5, it takes a lot less than a gallon of water. So I just decided to pour it inside of a cup and slowly pour it inside of the chiller. And then once we did that, we took a flashlight and looked inside to make sure it was at the level. Now, don't be like me. Know that it's lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and you're supposed to go to the right to tighten it up. But you put the cap back on and you plug it in and you are ready to turn it on. Now, I didn't show you guys my husband putting on the hose. I'm going to make a different video when I upgrade my hose for that, so watch out for that. But he did put on the hose that came with the laser. And I am pushing it back into place against the wall. And we are all unboxed. So I will catch you in the next video, laser friends. Until next time.